Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, ULEFONE Note 13P, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to use Nearby Share on your device. So, firstly, open Control Panel and enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. Then find here Nearby Share, click and hold on it. Wait a while, click Share more easily with contacts. Scroll down, click Agree. And enable Nearby Share. Now change your device visibility mode, I suggest to use everyone mode. You can be hidden, of course, you can be visible for contacts only or visible for everyone. Now you can change your data usage mode, I suggest to use data mode. And cool, now we can share and receive images, files, I don't know, MP3 files, video files using Nearby Share. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.